Welcome to MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach. My name is Dean Ashton, and today we're going to check out a 2026 Boston Whaler 170 Montauk. As you see in the photos, the boat has the Abaco blue hull sides, also outfitted with the white rub rail with stainless steel insert. The boat does come with a galvanized trailer which has a swing tongue. For power, it's set up with 115 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke. That is the upgraded engine option. At the transom, you have two jump seats, one port, one starboard, with removable backrests. When you do remove those backrests, it gives you 4 rod holders. At the helm, you have a 4-position helm seat. It'll give you a aft-facing seat, a leaning post, or a forward-facing seat. Underneath the helm seat, this boat is equipped with the live well option. Moving up to the helm, this boat's outfitted with the larger 9-inch Simrad screen, the JL audio package with 4 JL speakers. It has a black bimini top. It is equipped with the fishing package, which gives you the cooler seat with backrest, 4 rod holders, tackle storage on the side of the console. It is equipped with the teak package. You have a teak inlay on the gunnel as well as the swim platform. Up in the bow of the boat, you have a fish box here, which is insulated, a bow cushion, designated anchor locker, and a trolling motor panel. It's outfitted with the low bow rails. If you'd like some more information, give us a call at 910-256-8100.